Check out this lifetime deal from softwaretrailers.com. Today, we are presenting an incredible deal for HuddleIQ. Are you bored with your everyday online meetings? Do you want to take your meetings to the next level by using a web-based whiteboard that allows you to share, present, and interact successfully online? Try HuddleIQ. Get lifetime access for only $79. HuddleIQ is a feature-rich digital whiteboard that provides all of the tools you'll need to meet, present, and communicate effectively online. HuddleIQ provides a dynamic digital canvas that can be linked with your team to help you visualize your thoughts. Whether you're using the resource collection or contributing your own, you may use templates, photos, videos, and emoticons to take a creative approach to brainstorming. Convert those clunky slideshows into high-quality visual presentations using HuddleIQ presentation mode. The best part is that you can share documents, slides, and annotations while keeping your team engaged with access to the presentation remarks. HuddleIQ offers hundreds of customizable templates for brainstorming, teaching, planning, and more. With built-in automatic task management, you'll be able to optimize your operations while also increasing productivity. It also allows you to build private or shared projects directly from your dashboard, giving you more control and flexibility. Customize each project's permissions to control who has access to your material and what they can do with it. Working remotely is difficult enough without having to worry about whether or not your coworkers are on the same page. With HuddleIQ, you get an intuitive digital workspace that helps you stay on track whether you're running meetings, brainstorming ideas, or presenting amazing presentations. Convert your individual innovation into team effectiveness. Get lifetime deal for only $79. Save as much as $600. For more details, click the link below and get lifetime access today at a super affordable price. Please check out the current software lifetime deals available on the right side of your screen. Surely, you will find a software solution that's right for you. Subscribe and hit that like button to get updates on the latest software deals and so much more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.